What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I just wanted to do a quick video walk around of my 2009 Cayenne S. If you missed last Sunday's video, I posted my first time off-roading this rig. But today I just wanted to show you guys around the car, what's done to it, and basically how I got it. So it's a 2009 Cayenne S. It's V8, and it's been lifted on a 2.5-inch eurowise lift. You can see the spacers right there, and I believe it's got a 1-inch subframe drop already, so it came with all that stuff. It's on stock wheels, powder coated gray, and it's on some Falcon Wild Peaks already. So previous owner did all this work, 265, 60, 18, and I got a really good deal on this thing because the mileage was only at 92,200 miles when I got it. So a really good deal. And paint's good, no dinks or dents. Some minor scratches, probably added more to that when I went off-roading, but right now it's sitting at I think 92,500. Just want to confirm that. Yeah, 92,588. Interior is still really good for the age. Obviously it's got like the normal wear that comes, but nothing bad, no rips or any bad damage. You can see the headliner's still all good. Everything works. Like that sunroof, I don't ever use it though because I'd rather not break it and have to deal with it later, but the interior is very clean and everything works. I've tested the 2-speed transfer case out on the trails last Sunday. Everything that works as well. Center diff lock works. Sport mode works as well. It still has the OEM radio, but the neat thing is that he included this, CarPlay thing. So now I have CarPlay that works flawlessly with this car. Heated mirrors, cruise control works. What else can I tell you? No service lights except for, I think there's a TPMS light. So, and I can prove that it's TPMS. Here you go. I can prove that it's TPMS because when I toggle to a different view, it'll show you that, 2 TPMS signals for, I believe it's the rear tires are out, which is what that light is. You'll also notice, by the way, is that it's got that antenna there by the hood on the left side. And that's because I have a aux beam remote control for, I'm gonna guess like a gang box up there. So he used to run lights here, he didn't include it, but I'll just show you. But this thing's got Martini livery, just the front. It used to have it on the sides, but I think he took it off. So I happen to like it, so I'm keeping it on there for now. All the lights work. It doesn't have fog lights, so I'll be removing everything in black lower than the bumper will come off for more clearance. I will be adding a bar at some point with some fog lights wired to the aux beam remote control. So with no lights, you're probably wondering what's the remote control for, and I'll show you here in a sec. So the neat thing about this car is that it came with exhaust valves as well. So if you can see there right now, they are closed, which is like stealth mode, but I could actually open them up and make it like loud. So let me show you that. So if I turn this on, hit 8 and press B, now you can hear it loud. So you'll see the valves are now open. So 2 modes. For when the wife is in the car, I can go stealth. Or if I'm coming home late at night, or if I want like a quieter cold start. I can close the valves. Otherwise, I can open it if I'm feeling like rowdy. But yeah, that's basically the car. The neat thing is it came with all like service history, the parts, so it's all caught up. He did thermostat, water pump, gasket, what else? Spark plugs, I believe injectors as well. So I have all the receipts, so I know it's well taken care of. I believe he was changing the oil every 3,000 miles. So I'm gonna keep to that, use FCP Euro for that, for their lifetime warranty on everything that you buy. And the only major thing that I have to do for it is the diff fluid, transfer case, and transmission fluid and change, filter change, which I already have here. And I will be doing next week. So I have everything in that box there from FCP Euro. So I just need the time to do all of that stuff. Other than that, it's a really good deal. So shout outs to Jafflet for giving me the information on these things. If you didn't know, the V8s were plagued with bore scoring issues on the earlier 955 up to like 2008 with a facelift 957s. So the way to tell is to ask for the code in the back in the spare area, and you'll get like an engine code there in some paperwork. And so I asked the seller, and he was very upfront. He gave me the code. I checked it on this thread from Renlist that my friend gave me, and definitely this has the upgraded block, which has less chance for bore scoring. So the fact that it's well taken care of and it's got the upgraded block told me that was a good buy at 92,200 miles. And for the purchase price that I got it, all the work already done to it, all the parts done to it. But yeah, so what I have planned next this winter is some underbody vehicle protection, so some skid plates for sure. I'm also going to try to get some rock sliders, and then after that, most likely a roof box for me to mount my MaxTrax boards, which are right there in orange if you see it. So after that, most likely throw some spacers on, and I can fit bigger tires on these wheels. So that's to come next year. And also a spare is in the books. So stay tuned and let me know in the comment section below. Was this a good buy? And what do you think I should do to it next? Definitely, I already told you guys I'm gonna do this Viper trim. So that all of this is coming off. Jafflet's gonna eventually sell me his light bar, which I'll throw on here and run some lights. I'm thinking KC highlights, fogs, because they're street legal, and also like some driving lights later. Eventually next year, I'm gonna have to get these valves reclocked or just run a different exhaust setup because they hang pretty low. So I'm thinking about copying Jafflet's setup and just making a custom exhaust that comes out here for the clearance. Eventually, all this lower trim stuff is also gonna go for more clearance. That's it, really. Let me know what you guys think. The trunk works. It's a lot of room. All the panels are intact. Everything's in there. Yeah. What about some exhaust sounds? Here you go. So that's what it sounds like. I can go louder. And then I can also make it quiet. So again, press 8 and then A for a few seconds. And then now it's stealth mode again. Alright guys, so that's that. Thanks for watching. This is my new build, so thanks for supporting. If you're an OG subscriber, Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Follow us along for this new build. It will be a slow build. I'll try to get everything as soon as I can. I do have a vision for Tiny. We're going to do maintenance items. We're going to do some off-roading for sure, some adventures, and we're going to do a lot of stuff. So hang tight, and we'll see you in the next video.